Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at a practical everyday accessory that a lot of people don't think about until they really need it. The 2-pack universal replacement remote control for Samsung TVs. Model BN59014884A compatible. This is a no-setup replacement remote designed for Samsung smart TVs from 2019 all the way through 2025. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly what it offers, who it's for, and whether it makes sense as a buy. Let's start with what this product actually is. In the box, you're getting 2 identical replacement remote controls designed specifically to work with Samsung televisions. These are not original Samsung remotes, but they are built to mirror the layout, functionality, and infrared commands used by many modern Samsung TV models. The idea here is simple. If your original remote is lost, damaged, or just unreliable, this is meant to be a direct substitute that works right out of the box. One of the biggest selling points of this remote is compatibility. According to the product specifications, it supports Samsung smart TVs released between 2019 and 2025. That includes a wide range of display types such as LED, LCD, QLED, UHD, 4K, 8K, frame TVs, and even curved models. It's also listed as a replacement for several Samsung remote model numbers, including BN59014884A and a variety of earlier BN59 series remotes. For buyers who aren't sure which exact remote model came with their TV, this broad compatibility is a major advantage. Another key feature is the plug-and-play design. There's no pairing process, no programming codes, and no setup menus to deal with. You simply insert 2 AAA batteries into each remote, point it at your TV, and start using it. For anyone who has struggled with universal remotes that require long setup processes or confusing button combinations, this straightforward approach is refreshing. It's clearly designed for convenience, especially for households where not everyone is comfortable with tech setup. Now, it's important to mention what this remote does not include. This model does not support voice control. So if your original Samsung remote had a built-in microphone for voice commands through Bixby or other assistants, that functionality won't be available here. This remote focuses on traditional button-based control, covering core TV functions like power, volume, channel navigation, input selection, smart hub access, and menu controls. In terms of design and build quality, the remote is made from ABS plastic, which is commonly used in consumer electronics due to its balance of durability and lightweight. The remote has a simple black finish and a familiar Samsung-style button layout, making it easy to pick up and use without a learning curve. The buttons are designed to be responsive, and the manufacturer claims an upgraded internal chip to ensure stable signal transmission and fast response times. The product also emphasizes durability and efficiency. It's designed to support over 160,000 button presses, which suggests it's built for long-term use rather than being a temporary backup. The low-power design is intended to extend battery life, with claims of up to 6 months of standby time under normal use. While real-world battery life will always depend on usage habits, the focus on power efficiency is a positive point. One thing that sets this product apart from many single remote replacements is the fact that it's a 2-pack. Getting 2 remotes in one purchase adds flexibility. You can keep one as a backup, place one in a different room, or simply have a spare ready if something happens to the first. For families, offices, or shared living spaces, having an extra remote can be surprisingly useful. From a usability standpoint, the remote is designed to be lightweight and ergonomic. It's easy to hold, and the button spacing is suitable for users of all ages. There's nothing flashy here, but that's kind of the point. This remote is focused on doing one job reliably: controlling your Samsung TV without hassle. So who is this product really for? This is ideal for anyone who has a Samsung TV from the last several years and wants a simple, affordable replacement remote without dealing with pairing issues or complicated universal remote setups. It's also a good option for people who don't need voice control and are perfectly happy with standard button navigation. To wrap things up, this 2-pack universal replacement remote for Samsung TVs is all about practicality. Wide compatibility, no setup required, durable construction, and the convenience of getting 2 remotes in one package make it a straightforward solution to a very common problem. If your original Samsung remote is missing or no longer reliable, this product aims to get you back in control with minimal effort. That's it for today's review on product critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, stay tuned for more honest and detailed product analyses. Thanks for watching.